All right, guys, I got a special one for you. Let's check out this rare 2003 Mercury Marauder. She has Willwood disc brakes in the front, and she has the rare Trilogy Supercharger that was made specifically for the Marauder. She's bad. Paint is in overall great condition. And if you know about the Marauders, they did come with the suspension and brakes from the Police Interceptor. And they got the Mustang Cobra 4.6 liter dual overhead cam engine. They get down. And with this supercharger on there, she really gets down, guys. Interior nice and clean. Headliner good. See the goodies that's in the trunk. And she does have the rare Mercury jacket that was offered with the Mercury Marauder. That jacket alone is worth a lot to a Mercury owner or collector. She has some documentation. That's how you know she was well taken care of. Absolutely beautiful. Let's check out the engine bay. And there she is. Absolutely beautiful. So what would y'all choose, a 96 Impala or a Mercury Marauder? I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I always was a Chevy fan and loved the Impalas, but I done fell in love with these cars. I'd choose the Marauder. All right, guys, let's check out this 1997 Mercedes SL500. She has brand new 18-inch BBS wheels and tires. Paint is in great shape. And she is available here at Rolling Museums. Don't miss out. She's absolutely beautiful. Interior is in excellent condition. Dash in excellent shape. Engine bay nice and clean. She running good, guys.